Yo, welcome back, guys. We are here with your favorite G35, and we're literally just waiting for our homies to pull up so that we can ride out together to another dope meet. Just show you what we're working with here, and then I'll post the Instagram shot for you guys of this spot, which was pretty sick. Waiting for my friends with cool cars be like flying by, bro. Ooh. Okay. Little spoiler. Fucking wet, my dog. I was trying to park next to my G, bro. Yo, who's? No dusty shit. Gotta get that carbon right, huh?
Bro, yeah.
No playing around. Yo, whose car is making some noise, bro? Let me find out. Let me find out. It's a Subi, bro. Oh, okay. Packed out over here. What's up, bro? Been a minute, huh? Let me find out you big stepping, bro. I like your shoes.
You wanna?
Homie with the clean interior, bro. Bro, my lane is so bro, I'm like, I don't even have a good alignment too. That's what I'm trying to see every night. Different vibe. But it's looking beautiful, like usual. It looks poppin'. It looks pretty lit. San Francisco popping, bro. Oh, ooh, okay. I'll with him right there. Dibs on that spot. Sheesh. Sheesh. We fucking made it, bro. Look at this guy. What happened, bro? When your intakes fell off or what?
Yeah, intake fell off.
Oh, my bad, bro. Oh, shit. There's a Lambo? Yeah. My boy Big Step. I don't give a fuck about the Lambo.
he's almost here, though.
I'm f***ing with these guys. These guys. Man, we'll be on this level pretty soon. Yeah. Baby GTR? I pulled up for 5 minutes, bruh. Already? They ain't tripping, bruh. Yo, Mr. Booga, Mrs. Booga. Ain't that cute? When you got small hands or something? What?
It's a steering wheel.
Bro, look how small it is.
I know, holy shit.
You gotta have hella good precision. What the f? Mr. Booga? Clean ass color though. I love it. HR too. Hold up. My boy followed fresh kicks, huh? He clean with it. Drive it like you park it. A wrap going down. Oh shit, but he got big boy wheels. Okay. I mean, they stock, but they powder coated. You seen them? Bruh, they got like the sparkles. Oh shit. I never seen these. Acabonos on there. Fucking salt, bro. If you have an HR, do this. Well, pretty much all the cool cars left once the cops stopped by just to say hi, and yep, now we're on our way back. This shit looks sick, bro. Holy fuck. It just keeps getting better. Yo, they didn't even send me the ID, bro. I gotta follow them. See homies. Oh my god, and he's still pushing, bro. What? He's pushing me. Hey, bro, who inspired you? What the fuck? What do you do for a living? Oh man, out of service. Some called us an just because we got an emergency on the side. Like, who knows what's happening. Hey, yo, be careful if you ever have to pull over on the highway. Lock your cars. Don't leave them on. You don't want someone to steal your shit. And be with your homies. Yo.
Oh, it's this one. Fuck, holy.